Right, welcome to another lesson in high school ICT. In this lesson we want to look at how we insert bookmarks and hyperlinks. So bookmark is where you are bookmarking a particular spot or place in a document, and you want to then create a hyperlink that it jumps to that particular spot in your document. A lot of ebook creators use this so that when you go onto, for example, the contents page and you go to chapter 3 or chapter 4 and you click Control and right click, you jump straight to that particular place within the document instead of having to scroll or using the arrow key to navigate your way through all the different pages to get to that particular page or section that you want to get to. Right, so how do we do this? Very easy. I want to create a bookmark, and then I'm going to show you how to create a hyperlink so that when I click insert it jumps down to page 2 and it's going to jump to this section, and then I'm going to create another hyperlink when I click video that it takes me all the way down to paragraph 6 in my document. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is create the bookmark. So this is, you set the bookmark where you want to land, in other words where you want to go to. So I've highlighted the word fits, I've got click bookmark in my, and again I click insert, and in my links grouping I click on bookmark, and if you hover your mouse over it, it actually tells you what the description is, how it works. And I'm going to type insert. The reason that I'm typing insert, so remember the computer doesn't look for the word as such, it looks for the bookmark. It looks and the software creates that bookmark, so it's not, I could type any word I want to. The reason that I typed insert is that when I create my hyperlink, it was just a reference for me, which made it easier for me to remember. And I click add, and then over here, let's say I want to go to this section over here, click. That's where I want to jump to that particular paragraph, and I'm going to call it, I think I said videos is the word that I want to use, so that'll just remind me. And I click add, and if I go to my bookmark, so if I go to insert and I say click go to, okay, there it is, it jumped to fits, and if I click videos and I say go to, then it jumps down to where that particular bookmark has been set. Okay, so what I want to do now is to insert a hyperlink, and remember I said that I want this, when I click on this word or words, that it must jump all the way down to this paragraph over here, and you can see I've got my hyperlink and it's got the square brackets around that. To get that, you just go to File, click Options, and go to Advanced Settings, and then scroll down and you will click on the button that says Show Bookmarks. Okay, so let's do this one first. I could do a whole sentence if I want to, and again in my links I'm going to click on that, and it's important that you click on place in this document. Okay, and so if I click off there, it doesn't show. I click on there, it doesn't show, but if I say click on place in this document, then it shows the bookmarks that I've created, and this one particular was videos. I'm going to say OK, and there you can see the hyperlink has been created where it turns to blue and it's underlined. And then I said insert, also want to create a hyperlink, and again place in this document, and it's the word insert, and I click OK. So now if I hover my mouse over that, control and left click, not right click, I did say that earlier, apologies for that, it takes me to that particular paragraph, and insert takes me to that paragraph. As easy as that. Just remember that when you create the hyperlink, to make sure that you say place in this document. Okay, you could also put in a web address. So if I want to say, let's say I said refer to Google, and I highlight that, or highlight the word Google link, and over here I type in www.google.com, click OK, and if I right click it's going to then open up my Google page, which you can see there it is. Okay, as easy as that. So pause the video, go back, watch, practice. Quite an easy section, not too difficult, and very helpful when you're creating a document, especially when you've got a contents page. And we will later also look at when we create content pages and we use styles, how it also helps to then jump to a particular section because it creates hyperlinks by using the styles. But more of that in a later video. Till then.